Welcome to you all to Wells Cathedral and to the start of this year's Wells Lantern Parade. It's a wonderful community event, and this year apparently we have about 150 different lanterns made by members of the community. You'll be walking to the wonderful music of Jerram de Samba band from Bath, who are going to lead the procession and their drums and whistles. And I hope you'll find it a really uplifting event. Part of what you're doing here is to raise people's awareness about what we should be doing for our planet and for nature on our planet. And I'm just going to say, God bless you all. Thank you so much for doing this wonderful work.